Well friends, here's the next problem. The given problem is 4, 5, 13, 40, 104 and question mark. Given options are 219, 225, 229 and 239. Well friends, to solve this, let me consider the given question, that is 4, 5, 13, 40, 104 and question mark. Now 5 can be obtained from 4 if I add 1. Okay, similarly 13 can be obtained from 5 if I add 8. So to get 40 from 13, I should add how much? 27. Okay, next to get 104 from 40, how much should I add? Of course it is what? 64. Well friends, look at here. 1, 8, 27, 64. These are nothing but cubes of 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So the next would be 5 cube. Is it not? So 5 cube is what? 125. So if I add 125 to 104, that is 104, 125. What will I get? What I'll get? I'll get 922. So the missing number is what? 229. Let us check the given options. The first option is 219, second 225, the third option is 229, which is the right option. Well friends, we will see some more problems.